Hey guys, are you facing the internet connection issues on Windows 10? If you're facing the Ethernet LAN cable problem, as you can see, if you get unidentified network, when I click this, as you can see here, it says unidentified network. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to fix this. Alright, okay, so first of all, what you need to do, guys, you're gonna go to your search, you're gonna write control panel. Okay, so once in control panel, you're gonna click network, and then this network and sharing center. There, as you can see, Ethernet connection, no network access, unidentified network. So you're gonna click on change adapter settings. Here it is. So you're gonna double click on this. Select properties and make sure that if you see this is unticked, so make sure that you tick this and then hit OK. Alright, and if still this thing does not work, it still says unidentified network, we can try another method, which in the properties and in the TCP IPv4. So right here under the following DNS server, right, so we're gonna use the following DNS server, and we're gonna use Google DNS, which is 8 other 8 as well. Right, okay, and this one is 8 and then 4, right, again 4. Alright, so make sure it is like this and then simply hit OK. Alright, so here it is, hit OK one more time. Alright, now close this and let's try. It still says unidentified network. Alright, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this problem for good. Alright, so yeah, you can also do so you're gonna write network. Alright, so once you can also do a network reset. Okay, so this, you're gonna click reset, and this will only reset your network. Alright, and your PC will be restarted. Okay, so the main reason for this is happening, guys. The main reason we get this right here, no internet access. Alright, it's maybe because your LAN cable is not correctly plugged in, and it can also be the cable which routes through, as you can see, mine, it goes into my modem. Okay, so now let's have a look. I'm gonna show you the fixes. As you can see right here, it is lightning and it is working on my PC right here. As you can see, it is showing a light. That means it is currently working, but still, let's go. Alright, so you've saw what I did. Okay, you've seen what I did, guys. Alright, so I've changed the slot. And now let's see the magic. I've just swapped the slot, guys, from the port from LAN 1 to LAN 302. And see this for yourself. Alright, boom, voila. See, now we get internet access. Alright. Holy shit. As you can see, read. What does it says? Connected. Alright. Ethernet connected. Boom. Alright guys, so now problem solved on Windows 10. I've just shown you what to do. Okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And if you like the video, subscribe. And yeah, of course, give me a comment if this works for you or not. Okay, I'm sure this will work and this will fix your problem. Okay, peace.